loves, it's your girl Miss Natural Journey, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I hack my beauty. Okay, I do my own lashes. I've done my own lashes for a few years now. I do have time periods where I actually go to my lash girl, who's actually one of my closest friends, and she hooks your girl up with actual individual lashes. But in between that time, I do my own lashes, and I want to show you guys what I use. It's super cheap, super affordable, but I will tell you, do this at your own risk. I have been experimenting for years, trying to find the right glue, trying to find the right products. And I know what works for me. It's up to you to find what works out for you. But again, do this at your own risk. I am not a professional. I am not giving professional advice right now. I am giving you guys tips on how I hack my beauty. It's up to you to decide what you want to do with yours. Okay. So if you want to do your lashes on pennies, on dollars, definitely check this out. Again, try at your own risk. I can't tell you guys that many. I don't know how many times I can tell you guys that. Try at your own risk. I found what works for me, and this is what works for me. So check it. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you guys everything that you are going to need for this DIY eyelash hack that I'm about to put you up on. Okay, so you have many different options as far as the lashes to use. My personal favorite brand is Kiss. I do like Ardell as well. Theirs are a bit more wispy and full, but if I'm doing like an everyday type of look, I'll use either the short in the trios for Kiss or the mediums. I do have pretty small eyes, so the medium is a bit more dramatic. I typically do that when I'm like going out somewhere, going on vacation, something like that. But let me show you guys what you're gonna need, and I'll show you exactly what the lashes actually look like. So one thing you should use, you don't necessarily need this, but I did purchase this on Amazon, and this is just a primer. So this is gonna help to remove any protein or mascara, anything you may still have on your eyelashes that can cause residue and could potentially help your glue to last longer. So you're gonna wanna clean your lashes really well, get off any oils, any old makeup, anything that may be on your lashes before you actually apply your false lashes. So you're definitely gonna need that. You're gonna need lashes, clearly. These are the ones I'm gonna be using today. It's a pack that I'm already like halfway done with. So these are the short Kiss I Envy lashes. And now the hack is, if you notice, let me put this up close. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I'm about to be doing those in a moment too. If you notice, there's actually 3 clusters of lashes on these. So these are the trios. You can do the single, which I also have those as well. So you can do the single lashes. But if you a mom like me, you got kiddos running around, you really don't have time to invest in doing those individual clusters, you can get you some trios and cut your time literally in thirds, I guess you can say. So I'm going to be using these today, and you about to be all up in my business because I'm going to get real close to this camera so you guys can see how I actually apply them, okay? The glue I'm going to be using, I'm going to show you guys the container. It's tore up because I've used this a lot. But the brand is Sassy, and that's S-A-S-S-I. You can find it on Amazon. I will actually link it down below. I found this at my local beauty supply, but this is my favorite when it comes to doing cluster lashes. See, I'm not even gonna bother. Just look for the red top, okay? This is my favorite when it comes to doing cluster lashes. One, because it doesn't pull out your natural lashes. So that's a risk that you definitely take when you're doing this. It does not pull out your natural lashes. It's more of like a rubbery type of consistency once it dries. So it'll literally just like, if you want to take them off, you can take them off. It's not going to keep your lashes on for weeks and weeks. So don't even expect that. You will have to reapply every once in a while. So these are my favorite, or this is my favorite when it comes to that. Anywho, I'm about to take a cotton swab and my primer and just apply some there. I'm going to use this to actually clean my lashes. Look, y'all all up in my business, child. All up in my personal space. Okay, you see that? Some of that is actually concealer, but yeah, you want to make sure you don't have anything on your lashes before you get started, okay? The container that actually holds the lashes has this, look at my nails, child. It has this little glue pocket. So I definitely use that. I'm just gonna put like a drip of lash glue on there. It's probably about time for me to get some more of this glue. Ooh, not too much though, because you don't want to waste your glue. You can always add more later. So I just did that amount. And make sure you close up your glue because you don't want it to dry. All right, so you want to grab your tweezers. So the tweezers that you use for your eyebrows or whatever else you use them for will do just fine. And you just basically want to take your container. It's kind of hard for me to do this and show you guys at the same time, but you just want to pull the lashes gently off. If you tug too hard, you may actually rip the strands off, so you don't want to do that. And this is what they look like when they're off. So that's that. Can't really see that because it's not focusing that well. But anyway, there's like a clear little strip here that holds all three clusters together. And that's the part that you're actually going to dip into the glue, okay? So there is a little bit of a technique to this. So you don't want to just like scoop all crazily or dip too deeply. So you just kind of want to drag that band across the glue, and you're gonna get, you know, a good amount on there. But what I also do is I take the back of it, so it's curved like this, right? I take the back of it and I just kind of sweep any excess glue off to where I'm only left with glue on this side. So if it's cupped like this, I only want glue on this side because that's the part you're gonna actually glue to your lashes. So once you do that, if you just open the glue or if you just put the glue into your container, you're gonna kind of wanna blow it a little bit just to kind of let it dry a little bit, get a little more tacky, and that's what's gonna help it actually hold. So after you think that it's tacky enough but not too dry, you wanna go ahead, and I'm gonna get real close, y'all, real close. I start with my outer corner and I just glue it right, not on my actual lash line. So you want to make sure that you are a little bit up onto your lashes, but you're gluing it underneath. Don't get too crazy with it. Make sure you have a mirror close by. Yeah, you don't want to glue it right onto your lash line because if your eyes start to water, which mine are starting to do right now actually, it may affect it sticking on. So that's that. You don't want to mess with it too much. You just want to kind of let it be and then go on to the next one. Just lift your lid, place it close to the base but not on your actual lash line. Okay. And these are small, so they're not going to be super voluminous. Voluminous? Voluminous, yeah, we'll call it that. They're not going to be super voluminous. It's going to be good old everyday look. Also, you're going to want to try to get them as close to one another as possible because you don't want any like gaps or anything between your trio of clusters, because that's just gonna not look cute, basically. I would say once your glue starts to get a little too gluey and stringy, you should probably apply more into your little glue pocket. Let it sit for a few seconds and then continue. All right, now I'm gonna go up to the top row. Every set of these, or most sets of these, they come with one row of the smaller size, so the extra short is the top row in here. just for you to use to kind of blend it and make it look better. So I typically use these in the inner corners. All right, so this is the final product. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comment section. I don't think I mentioned prices, but the Kiss lashes typically run about $6, $5.99, something like that per pack. And one pack can get you at least 2 sets. So do the math. You do the math, okay? But yeah, this is the final look. Again, these are the small size. I use the medium size when I'm doing something more fancy, I'm going out or I'm going on vacation, something like that. I'll typically use the medium, but the small is for my everyday look or whatever. So let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I do a lot of DIY like beauty stuff. So yeah, it is definitely try at your own risk, but I think I've but I've come close to mastering a couple of little DIY hacks. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to thumbs this video up and subscribe and turn your notification bell on, and you won't miss another upload or whatever, okay? Happy 2021 to you guys. May you guys have a year full of light and love, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.